National Education Policy 2020. Now, after a long 34 years of gap, our education policy has changed this year. And what we need to know about this national education policy. So, in this webinar, we will be understanding some important reforms in the National Education Policy 2020. Now, first of all, the major change in the system is that 10 plus 2 system has been dropped and 10 plus 2 has been changed to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system of schooling. Now, what it is all about? Now, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system has been divided into 4 stages. One is foundational stage, second one is preparatory stage, third one is middle school stage, and fourth one is high school stage. Now let us understand all these stages in detail. So when we talk about foundational stage, it's a duration of 5 years and it includes 3 years of pre-primary and grade 1 and grade 2 children. An age group of this foundational stage will be 3 to 8 years. Then, during the foundational stage, importance will be given to the mother tongue of students because it is believed that at this stage, children are more comfortable in their mother tongue and they can express themselves effectively in their mother tongue. Let us talk about the second stage, which is known as preparatory stage. Its duration will be of 3 years and it will include class 3, 4 and 5. And the age group of this stage will be 8 to 11 years. Now, when we talk about middle school stage, its duration will be of 3 years and it will include students of classes 6th, 7th and 8th. And the age group under this stage will be 11 to 14 years. Now, during this period, computer coding will be taught to the students of class 6 onwards. As a result, they will learn to develop softwares and applications from their early age. And we all know that time is changing and technology is changing day by day. And this is how it will be a benefit for the students. Then internship or practical experience training will be emphasized in this education system. If any student wants to take practical experience in their field of interest, like painting, computer coding, etc., they can take training from experts during the period of their schooling. Then moving on to the high school stage. Now, it is also very important. This stage we all need to understand in detail because it is going to change the whole scenario for students. And the duration of this stage would be 4 years. And it will include class 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And the age group for this stage would be 14 to 18 years. It is divided into 2 phases. Now let us understand how it is divided. So semester system of education. Students will have to appear examination twice in a year. So we will be having semester system and 360-degree assessment report card will be made for each and every child. Means in the final report card, the result of not only quantitative assessment, but also qualitative assessment of the students will be recorded. The major focus in this new education policy is that no stream system would be there. Means a student can opt for any subject of any stream of his or her interest. For example, he or she can take a combination of accounts, history, and physics. Means commerce, humanities, and science. And moving on to the bachelor degree, 4 years bachelor degree course will be implied. Means multi-entry and multi-exit facility will be there. Means On the exit on doing first year course, student will get a core certificate. And on the exit on doing 2-year course, student will get a diploma certificate. And on the exit on doing 3-year course, student will get a bachelor degree certificate. Means out of 3 years, if a student wants to exit the course in between after completing 1 year, if his family circumstances or any situation is not allowing him to continue or pursue his studies and he is leaving his degree in between, then after completing first year, he will receive a course certificate, and after completing 2 years, he will receive diploma certificate, and after 3 years, he will be able to receive a bachelor's degree certificate. Now, on the completion of full course, he will get a bachelor degree along with a research certificate. So multi-entry and multi-exit means a student can enter the course and exit the course as per his convenience. Now, whatever marks he has scored, the credit transfer and academic bank of credits will be maintained. Now, credit transfer is the acceptance of prior learning represented in course units or credits applied and articulated on a student's academic transcript. Means every assessment of a student will be recorded online so that his credit transfer, his academic bank of credits can be maintained online. So these are few basic points of National Education Policy 2020. I hope you all have understood what is new education policy. So we have a lot of expectations from this new education policy. Thank you for joining.